In plant nutrition, sulfur is one of the essential micronutrients. For a balanced application of plant nutrients, it is necessary to ensure that the soil is supplied with a sufficient quantity of sulfur. In the plant, sulfur has a positive impact on the oil and protein content as well as on natural flavors. Sulfur is needed for a good nitrogen conversion in the plant and helps to promote a high yield. Plant roots can only absorb sulfur as a sulfate ion. However, various types of sulfur can be applied as a fertilizer. For example, sulfate sulfur, elemental sulfur, or gypsum are often used. If sulfur is present in its elemental form, it has first to be converted into sulfate before it can be absorbed by the plant. That takes time, and during the microbial conversion process, protons are released, reducing the pH level of the soil. Whenever sulfate is used as a fertilizer, the sulfur is in the correct form. It can be immediately absorbed by the roots and is thus available for several metabolic processes. Since no conversion takes place and no protons are released, sulfate is pH neutral. Sulfate plays a particular role in nitrogen conversion because nitrogen is only utilized efficiently when a sufficient amount of sulfur is available. And only an optimal nitrogen exploitation can lead to high yields and best quality harvests. In a nutshell, to improve the absorption of nitrogen, mineral fertilizers with sulfur in the form of sulfate are best for a fast nutrient availability and a neutral pH effect. Depending on the cultivated crops, we recommend a nitrogen to sulfur ratio ranging from 5:1 to 12:1. In this way, you can ensure that your crops are best supplied.